How can we create a pixel art in Affinity by Canva? Let's create a new document, file new. And from here we cannot just go with the standard A4. We need something way smaller. For units, I change millimeters to pixels, the first one at the top. And now we see how big this document is. It's way too big for our tiny pixel art. So let's keep it simple, like 64 times 64 pixels. DPI, we are not going to print this out. We can keep it like 72 screen DPI will do. Let's now click here, create document. And here it is. Because the document is so small, we already got the pixel preview, this little gray grid. So that will be helpful. Now, make sure you are not in the vector mode, not in the layer mode. You need the one in the middle, the violet one, pixel mode. Head for brush, but press and hold. You will see there's a dedicated pixel tool hidden below your brush tool. Alright, this tool should be set up as 1 pixel in size by default. With that, we can select the color from the color spectrum and we can start drawing pixels. As you can see, we got sharp pixels without any anti-aliasing. So avoid using a regular brush like this one. Of course, we can make it smaller, but the problem is, look at those semi-black pixels around. So to avoid that, make sure you press and hold and got the actual pixel tool, not just the brush tool. All right, let's undo and zoom in. That's the important part of doing pixel art. We need to zoom in and out. I like to use Command plus to zoom in. You can also use the navigator here. As you can see, it's end on 999, but we can override this. We can keep zooming in with the shortcut, no problem. Command plus, and I'm going all the way to like 3000 in my zoom level. So that's helpful. What I like to do, I usually use the darker color or even black to make some kind of outline for the pixel art. If you make a mistake like I just did, we can now head to our eraser brush tool, but we need to be careful. It's one thing is too big, so let's make it 1 pixel. And again, right now, look at that. It will not erase our color perfectly. That's a great color, so that's not what I need. Let's tweak it. Make sure your hardness is set up to 100%. That's important when you want to erase just one single pixel. And with that out of the way, we can jump back to our pixel tool. With the outline out of the way, we can now speed up a bit by putting the colors using the bucket, the flat tool. Usually it's hidden below your gradient tool, looks like a little bucket. And with that, I can now select the main color for each part and put it in. Of course, we will have to go back to the pixel tool and now use different shades of that color to improve on our pixel art. If you don't remember what is the shade of this red, you can always use this quick color picker. Just press and hold, drop it on the color, and the color is now selected. You can move in the color spectrum to make a darker version of this color. Or a brighter version of the same color. You may notice that now in my color panel I got recently used colors, so I can jump back to certain colors I just used, and this will speed up the color selection. And that's the quick way of adjusting your document setup in Affinity for creating pixel art. At the end, we can just hit export to save it as a regular image. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.